this evening. Yes, we have locally showers and thunderstorms popping up. So I know a lot of folks are outdoors, maybe, you know, grilling out for Labor Day. So you may have to dodge some rain this evening. And then we have Hurricane Dorian, of course, still a major Category 4 hurricane. So we'll have more on that in just a second. I do want to take a live look of Center City. A lot of dark clouds out there, but the rain has actually pushed out of Center City at this time. And look at that temperature, rain cooled 73 degrees, but it doesn't feel as great as it looks because of the humidity. So I know some of you may want the rain to cool off, but the humidity is still going to stay pretty high once the rain moves out. So we still have some dark clouds out there, winds out of the west at 6 miles per hour. And we do have more activity developing off to the north and west. That cold front just making it to State College. So it's still got a while to go. And as long as we're out ahead of it, we're going to keep that chance for a scattering of showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. But round one pushing across portions of eastern Pennsylvania and South Jersey. So we do have a little bit of rain near the Philadelphia airport, just to the north and east of Chester. Gloucester getting in on the action as well, and this extends into Winslow, and these showers will continue to push off to the east. We're still dry down the shore, but that will be changing over the next few hours. Some lighter rain impacting portions of Newcastle County, with the worst of the weather into portions of Maryland, just north of Baltimore. And we're also watching some activity firing up in Lancaster County. So we'll be monitoring those storms throughout this evening. Now here's our cold front. By 8 o'clock, it will be getting closer to our western suburbs. And then as it pushes off to the south and east, it will take away the rain and storm chances with it. So by midnight, notice any rain starts to move south of the city, still keeping that chance in for the Jersey Shore. But then as we get into tomorrow morning, we're dry. You can leave those umbrellas at home. There may be some areas of patchy fog to start off your Tuesday morning as temperatures bottom out in the mid to upper 60s for many of us, and we may even see some 50s up in the Poconos. That should feel nice. Tomorrow afternoon, it'll still be a warm one, 85 degrees in the city, a little bit cooler farther north, upper 70s, and maybe you're extending your Labor Day weekend another day. Highs in the upper 70s, close to 80 down the shore, and humidity levels will be much lower tomorrow. We're tracking major Hurricane Dorian, still a Category 4 storm. Maximum sustained winds 145 miles per hour. Higher gusts are certainly possible, and it's essentially stationary, just spinning on top of Grand Bahama Island. That'll likely be the case through the overnight period as well. So catastrophic conditions expected across portions of the Bahamas, and then this starts to make its northern turn, and it'll likely pass dangerously close to the east coast of Florida as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday as a major hurricane. Keep in mind, this storm could really go essentially anywhere in this cone. So if it passes closer to the coast, the impacts are going to be greater. Then it makes that northeast turn, parallels the South Carolina and North Carolina coast, and then impacting the Outer Banks as we get into Thursday, and then Friday finally pushing away from the mid-Atlantic and New England. But it could pass close enough where we could see some minor impacts from Dorian as we round out the work week. So what we're looking at here in the Delaware Valley, we could see some showers. Rain could be heavy at times, windy, especially along the coast, rough surf, and possibly some tidal flooding depending on how close it does get to us. Now your 7-day forecast showing that we're hot and humid as we head into Wednesday. So summer's not over yet. Storms will arrive late in the day on Wednesday as a cold front moves through, and then those impacts of Dorian bringing us some rain and possibly some wind Thursday and Friday, feeling more like fall those days. And then the weekend is looking picture perfect.
Ooh, a Friday football frenzy looks like it could be a soggy one.
Could be some rain, yeah.
Okay, but the Eagles